7 clean eating slow cooker recipes that let you enjoy all the fall comfort foods you want. When it comes to kitchen appliances I rarely use, my slow cooker ranks right up there with the sandwich press, popcorn maker, and electric can opener. It's just so clunky, and far too ugly to earn a countertop spot next to my juicer and blender. Plus, most of what I've used it for in the past have been heavy, cheesy meals that mask the flavor of the organic ingredients I spend serious bucks on at the farmer's market. Which is why it remains stashed in the far reaches of my pantry, only to be pulled out and dusted off once, maybe twice, a year. Enter these slow cooker dinners that are as healthy as they are tasty. With clean ingredients, read, no refined sugar, flour, or super-processed components, and easy instructions, it seems my stack of takeout menus is about to collect the dust. Vegetable curry with tofu. For most of us, a craving for curry means calling the Indian restaurant for reservations or takeout. Who's got time to create this authentic, flavor-filled meal at home? But thanks to the registered dietitian and whole foods enthusiast behind the blog Hummusipian, get it? This simple, slow cooker curry will make you feel like you can DIY. Flank steak fajitas. Taco night is about to get a healthy makeover thanks to Lisa Leake, New York Times best-selling author and the brains behind the blog 100 Days of Real Food. This recipe calls for simple spices, like coriander and cumin, which will have you wondering why you ever cheated with those prepackaged taco spice packets. Ginger cranberry pork roast. When the blogger behind Mama and Baby Love finds a little spare time, she puts 5 simple ingredients: 3 pounds pork roast, 2 cans whole cranberries, 1 cup peeled and sliced ginger, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons arrowroot flour, into a 1-gallon zip-top bag. Then she labels it, pops it in the freezer, and dumps the frozen contents of the bag, along with 1 cup filtered water, into her slow cooker on the day she wants a delish dinner. Can you say healthy meal planning made easy? Skinny chicken enchiladas. If enchiladas are one of those Mexican dishes that seem far too complicated to attempt at home, take heart, these are chicken meets salsa meets corn meets beans meets slow cooker, says the blogger behind the site Pinch of Yum. Then roll it up in a corn tortilla and top it with melted cheese, avocado, crema, and more cotija. Garlic cauliflower mashed potatoes. From pizza crust to mashed potatoes, cauliflower is having a moment in the clean eating world. To get in on turning this super veggie into a healthy comfort carb, try this recipe from 365 days of slow cooking. You'll never again look at a bowl of mashed potatoes with the same kind of lust you usually do. Turkey white bean pumpkin chili. There's nothing quite like putting a pot of chili on the stove when the weather turns and the winter sweaters come out of storage. Yet for most of us, spending the time prepping and cooking chili means it's a Saturday afternoon affair. This slow cooker recipe from Skinny Taste is so easy. Chili is about to make an appearance on the menu during your busiest work weeks. Spinach and mozzarella frittata. Breakfast for dinner is easy and fun, and typically means something simple, like scrambled eggs or a simple stack of pancakes. Behold the slow cooker frittata by Skinny Miss, which involves a lot less fuss than traditional frittatas without sacrificing any taste.